Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make motor gear in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the circle from origin. Now give the value this circle below 15.90. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now extrude below 6.72. Okay. Now go to again this plane and sketch. Now here select plain white. Now draw the circle here. Now give the below this circle. Now give this circle below 8.80. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude select 3.10. Okay. Now go to again here this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here and give the below this circle 4.7. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now give the through. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. This plane and sketch. Now draw the sketch here. Now draw the center line here. Make center line. Now this circle convert entities. Now draw the circle here. Center circle. Now give the value this circle. This circle below 11.40. Okay. Now go to draw the line here. Select. Now here. Now go to mirror. Mirror select about this center line. Okay. Now go to 3 point R. This point select and this point. Okay. Now this R control this center circle tangent. Sorry. Concentric. Okay. Now give the value this point. Now give the value this point and this point distance 2.8. Okay. Now select this line, control this center line, control this line. Symmetric. Okay. Now go to this point and this point distance 1. Okay. Now go to select trim tools. Now cut hair. Okay. Now go to isometric view and select feature and select extrude cut. Now go to hair, select roll. Okay. Now go to circular pattern Now here select this as now feature and face. Now here select cut. Now here value give the 14, enter. Okay. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the hair circle. Now draw the circle here. Now draw the circle here. Now here select. Now go to smart dimension. Now select this circle and this circle. Now to circle distance, this circle and this circle, distance 1. Okay. Now go to line here, select. Now just here connect. This line connect. Now again here, this line and this circle distance 3.6. Okay. Now go to trim, cut here. Okay. Now go to feature. Now go to feature. Now give the below extrude boss. Now here select extrude. Now change direction. Now here give the value 4.9. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now make our job. Now here select go to materials use. You can select any material. I always select metal. And just select here lead for color. First lead for color. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comments. Friend, our online class 1-to-1, you can join anytime. You can join anywhere in the world. Our offline class 10 student base. You can join online and offline, and you can join both system 2 days online and 1 days offline. 2 days online, 1 day offline as you wish. Thank you all.